I'm gonna show you guys how to cook rice without rice cooker. This rice right here is jasmine rice, and I got 2 cups here. So first we gotta wash it. See all this cloud? Gotta get rid of all that cloud. If the water is still cloudy, just keep on washing it. Okay? So I think this is the last time. Make sure you get all the water. Okay? Now we're gonna put new water, and I'm gonna show you how to measure. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, see this middle finger? See, I learned how to cook rice when I was 7 years old from the Philippines. My mom taught me how to cook rice while I was young because she said when we grow up, if we don't know how to cook for our husband, our mother-in-law will return us to our parents. So we must learn how to cook rice. So what you do...
Water, you have to put the tip of your middle finger on top of the rice. The first line of your middle finger, that's where the water should end.
Closer. Okay, so right here. Right there. See it? Okay, now we're going to start the fire. Medium heat, not too high. Okay, you put the rice there, and then put the cover. Okay, wait till it start boiling. When it start boiling, then you put it on simmer. That will take maybe 2 to 3 or 5 minutes before it start boiling. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, it's time to check the rice if it's boiling. I can see it's already starting to boil. See, it's boiling already. Put the cover back. What you do is put the fire on simmer like that. Just put it on simmer, and then we'll come back about 5 minutes. Okay, let's go check the rice, see what's going on now. Okay, it's still on simmer. I could see it's bubbling inside right there. So let's see and open it. Okay, you see the rice is almost done. So now put the cover back. That's only like 5 minutes. And turn this down real low so the rice don't get burnt, just like that. I think it's on number 2. All right, and we'll be back. Okay, time to check the rice. So what you do is put your finger here. If there is no rice stuck in your finger, so the rice is done. Okay, so cover it again and turn it off. Oops, not turn it on. Turn it off and leave the rice for 10 minutes. And it's done. Okay? Now it's time to check the rice that we cooked. Still smoking. Okay? Yep. The rice is cooked perfect. See? This is the way you cook rice without rice cooker. See? It's really cooked. The rice really came out perfect. So if you guys want to cook rice without rice cooker, just follow the way I show you. Okay? And it will come out perfect just like this one. See how fluffy it is? The way I like it.